What is your name?
I'm Robilin Olaya,
How old are you?
51 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have one daughter, 15 years old,
How long you have been working in
9 years and 4 months.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
No,
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
1 year and 4 months.
Okay. Where is your latest employer living in?
Cornhill Garden, Quarry Bay.
Quarry Bay. Okay. Uh, how many square feet of your employer's house?
900.
900. How many family members are they?
2 adults,
Two adults or elderly?
elderly,
Okay. How old the elderly?
64 and 77.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I woke up 6 o'clock in the morning, prepare the breakfast,
Okay.
and do the household work, and going to market and prepare the dinner.
Okay.
for
You
them.
do the household like what?
Cleaning, laundry,
Ironing
ironing,
and
and
cooking?
cooking.
Okay. So you prepare the dinner what time?
6,
What time do you eat for the dinner?
7,
Okay. Until what time you go to sleep?
8 o'clock.
Okay. Where will you go on your holiday?
In the church,
Okay. So what kind of household chores are you good for?
I'm good in cleaning,
Okay.
going market, laundry, and cooking.
Okay. So do you how about taking care of kids? Are you willing to learn?
Yes.
Okay. So what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
Housewife.
Okay.
Thank you very much.